Hello, welcome to All About Food. Today we are making pepper soup egusi soup. Blend your African nutmeg and pour in your protein. As you can see in the video, add some salt to it, add your Maggi, and then add your Cameroon pepper. I like adding Cameroon pepper to stock, to proteins when I'm cooking. It gives this nice taste. And add your African nutmeg. I blended it with some water because my blender was too big for it. Then pour into the pot. Cover the pot. Let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. Stir and cover again. Let it cook. Slice the vegetable. I'm using usuza leaf. Go back to the protein and check for the softness however you like it. Adding the pepper soup spice, adjusting the pepper, and also adding some suya spice, some salt, more water, stir, cover and let it boil for some time. Added just a pinch of oil, just a little drop. And now I'm adding my egusi. I actually molded it using just tiny drop of water and onion. So I'm adding it to form balls in the soup. Place very well and cover. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Stir. This is too thick for me, so I'm going to be adding some water to it. And let it stir it for some time and let it cook for about 15 minutes again. I like my egusi very cooked, like well cooked. Cover. Added more Cameroon pepper. I'm adjusting the taste. Added more Cameroon pepper, Maggi. Stir. Cover and let it simmer for some time. Add the vegetables and stir. For the proteins, I used stockfish head, beef, and pomo, that's cow skin. Stir properly, cover for a few minutes, and then your soup is actually ready. Ready to be served with any swallow of your choice. Don't mind the way I molded it. I used powder yam. I was so tired, so I just had to mold it quickly and then take a picture of it so you can see. Trust me, this soup was very delicious. It's very delicious. I know it's something you would love to try. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to try out this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next video.